Dude, I feel like I'm in an episode of The Twilight Zone. Hey guys, Todd here, and welcome to Hiking a Different Path. This is my channel for documenting the build-up and my attempt to through hike the Appalachian Trail starting in February of 2021. Consequently, that means I am just 4 months away from starting my through hike. I totally feel like time is moving at warp speed and slow motion all at the same time. So what can you expect in the next little bit from the channel? Dude, that is a great question. I'm so glad you asked it. I finally have the new backpack that I asked Hilltop Packs to make for me. Now you'll get to see that unboxing and initial thoughts and a shakedown hike from the grand Sipsey Wilderness of North Alabama right here. There is also lots of projects related to the pack that I'll be showing. For example, a final decision on whether I'll use the Ursack XL or build my own custom-sized food bag to work best in the pack. Then of course there's the water bottle hack and a testing of that, a tutorial on how I plan to distribute the weight in my pack, and some training tips for getting in shape for a through hike, and ultimately a complete pack walkthrough of what I'm taking in my pack for the through hike, right down to the weight differences from my last section hike and this more ultralight attempt. So you can see I got a lot more content coming before I start the hike. I'll be posting daily videos from the trail once I begin, and I hope to do some Facebook and YouTube live stuff for everybody. I would love for you to subscribe, give us a like, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. Tell your friends too. Man, the more the merrier. So until next video, take a hike, go see a waterfall, and love somebody along the way.